Found an MML file in a chiptune or retro game music project? This is a text-based music composition format with roots in classic computing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read, play, and compose music using these music macro language files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful MML file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. MML files are music composition files written in music macro language, a text-based notation system for defining musical sequences. They contain note pitch, duration, tempo instrument, and channel commands used to create chiptune retro game music and MIDI-style compositions through human-readable text commands rather than graphical notation editors. MML files are music composition files written in music macro language, a text-based notation system for defining musical sequences. They contain note pitch, duration, tempo instrument, and channel commands used to create chiptune retro game music and MIDI-style compositions through human-readable text commands, rather than graphical notation editors. For full compatibility with MML, use the proprietary Visual Studio Code developed by Microsoft Corporation. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows shows only the text portion, while actual execution requires a scripting framework. To bypass the file format error, right-click the MML file and choose Open With. Prioritize Visual Studio Code if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If you still can't open the MML file, it's okay. This is a truly stubborn MML file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, playing MML music. Use an MML compiler or player such as ppmck MML Talk or the web-based MML editor at mmltalks.appspot.com. Paste or load your MML file content and the tool compiles the text notation into playable audio output. Web-based players render the music directly in your browser using synthesized chiptune or MIDI instrument sounds. Next, editing compositions. Open the MML file in any text editor like VS Code or Notepad++ to read and modify the musical notation. Each letter represents a note with numbers for duration and special characters for rest ties and volume changes. Learn the specific MML dialect your file uses to understand channel commands, instrument selections, and loop structures. Finally, converting to audio. Use an MML compiler to convert the text notation to WAV MIDI or NSF audio format. Tools like ppmck compile MML to NES audio format, while other compilers output standard MIDI files. Export the compiled audio for playback in any media player or import MIDI output into a DAW for further arrangement and production. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.